In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases, part 1K. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is at beck and call, meaning in control or servitude. Sentences. He is his boss, that's why he is at his beck and call. Why should I be at your beck and call? Number 2. At bottom, meaning really, basically. Sentences. He is at bottom a liar and unreliable. At bottom, it has no value for us. Number 3. At full tilt, meaning at full speed, quickly. Sentences. He was running at full tilt to reach the bus. Running at full tilt, he reached office in time. Number 4. At the drop of a hat, meaning without hesitation, instantly. Sentences. They agreed to my proposal at the drop of a hat. He is so friendly to help you at the drop of a hat. Number 5. At the mercy of, meaning in the power of, defenseless against. Sentences. Our project is at the mercy of your sanction. Our boat was at the mercy of winds after its motor broke down. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.